running away just to gain little fame and a day that fly away. I see that your eye gone hazy, everybody acting crazy, but a feeling that still makes the pain go away. Hey, yeah, then we're okay.
I say fine, let's get over. I don't fall asleep with you. Can it be just this? Fresh on my mind I go. I don't fall too hard for you. Can it be just that easy?
I don't want you to break and fall, or to break it off, or every mountain that comes your way. I'm here to stay. I don't want you to break and fall, or to break it off, or every mountain that comes your way. I'm here to stay. Oh, you're holding that screen to your eyes. No care about the skies, it's lies. All you feel is a pain so insane through the vein and the rain that you drift from the right lane. I see that your eye gone hazy, everybody acting crazy, but a feeling that still makes the pain go away. Hey, yeah, then we're okay.
I say fine, let's get over. I don't fall asleep with you. Can it be just this? Fresh on my mind I go. I don't fall too hard for you. Can it be just that easy?
I don't want you to break and fall, or to break it off, or every mountain that comes your way. I'm here to stay. I'm here to stay. I don't want you to break and fall, or to break it off, or every mountain that comes your way. I'm here to stay.
Say you mean it when you say you're sorry over again. Wish I could distract you from what's going on in your head. And I know you don't mean to get so wrapped up with anxiety. Just keep breathing, baby. I won't leave. I'll let all my guards down. Let's get vulnerable. You know all my cards now. Let's get vulnerable. Wake up, feel like crying. Just the start, but it's hard to breathe. I know when you're lying. Why can't you tell me what you need? And I know it's easy to focus on insecurities. I'll talk you down, baby. Just be honest with me. I'll let all my guards down. I don't wanna only survive. I want some hope in my life. And if you're so good for me, why is it so damn hard for me to feel happy? Sad when you're watching me leave. Do you know what I see when you're looking at me? A man who's done hurting himself, so he hurt somebody else. What do I do when I feel so alone in my home? I pray every day for something to change. I need a hallelujah. Do I mean something to you? I thought this was the one place I could feel safe, but I need a way out. Help me escape to my future, even if I have to lose you.